Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewers, subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, you've been thinking about subscribing, yes, you should subscribe. That's all you had to do is hit that button, ding, and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, I'll be doing some extra in the Power XL. Today, I'll be making some chicken fried rice. And this is Mr. Belle recipe right here. So today I'll be eyeballing a little olive oil right here. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of onion powder right here. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of creole season. And I'll be using 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of this roasted garlic herb right here. And also I'll be using some rice was left over. And I'll be using some chicken that we had some chicken strips. So I'm gonna make some fried rice out of it. And I'll be using 1 carrot and 1 tomato. And I'll be using a half a stick of celery and 2 green onions. Today, I'll be doing this step by step, and I'd like to thank everybody for leaving all the good comments and everything. So I'm going to move some of this out the way so we can get busy. So as you know, I can't make the chicken fried rice with this top on. So for all my first time viewers, that's all you do. If you want to know how to take it up, 1, 2, lift it up, off it goes. I'm going to put it to the side. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on saute. That's on saute. Yes. Put it on saute. And I'm going to press. I'm going to set the temperature for like 375. And I'm gonna set this just for 50 minutes to get everything started and everything. So I'm gonna set this minutes for, I'm gonna just put it on 50. Remember, you can always cancel. And I'm gonna press start. In the meantime, I'm gonna let that get hot and everything. And I'm just gonna pour a little olive oil in there, just stir it up everything, get it ready. Like I say, I'm just gonna eyeball this. Just pour about that much, get everything nice, good, and hot. Get that hot, I'll be right back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start putting my green onions in here. Just like that. Get it sizzling and everything. Put my celery in there. Just stir that up nice and good. This way you kids are eating vegetables. Most of these vegetables came out my garden, so I'm gonna use them, and everybody's gonna be eating a little vegetable. This is a nice way of having your kids eating vegetables. Stir that up for a minute. Get it nice and good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my camera up close. You know, Mr. Belle like taking you step by step so you can see as I do it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just start putting my seasoning in just like this. I'm gonna just pour it all over, like that. Put my chicken powder in there. Put my garlic herbs in there. Put my onion powder in there, just like that. And I'm gonna just put all that in there just like that. I'm gonna mix that up. Like I say, this is a nice, good, easy dish for lunch, or if you just want a knick-knack. When you have leftovers, it's plenty of things you can do with leftovers. Make a nice, good dish out of it. Mix all that up like that. And what I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna eyeball my soy sauce in there. Look at that, that's looking good. I'm gonna eyeball just a little soy sauce in there, just like that. Just put a little. Oh yeah, I'm gonna mix it up. This right here gonna be your chicken fried rice with vegetables. Yeah, let's have this right here. And that's looking good. That's looking good. This right here, this is done. And it didn't take that long. So what I'm gonna do, get a bowl together and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna press cancel, and that's 37 minutes is left, and I used 50. So that's 13 minutes and that's done in 13 minutes. So I'm gonna get a pot holder and I'm gonna unplug this, and I'm gonna just take this out, just like that. And I'm gonna take it and put it inside. I'm gonna fix my camera so you can see. So I'm gonna take this out, and I'm gonna put it right here in this bowl. Look at that, that's looking good. This right here. Let's see. This right here is your chicken fried rice, and that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, wonder how to subscribe, ding! You are subscribed to Mrbelleskitchen. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna taste a little bit of this and see how it come out. And see how this come out. It's hot, so I'm gonna have to blow it off and everything. Tastes good, nice good flavor in it and everything. And that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. Thank you.